The BMW M3 and M4 drift analyzer seemed like an awesome tool. However, I think it's really good. Now, this month marks the highly anticipated launch of the BMW latest M3 and M4. Now, as we prepare to get our hands on them, let's take a look at one of the outlandish features that this car is equipped with, and it's called the M-Drift Analyzer. Now, the art of drifting, the voluntary one that is, was born in Japan in the 1970s, and it was a catalyst of the occurring global success in the video game industry, where the technique was made popular by a series of Gran Turismo Need for Speed. Now, regardless of the title, all past and current racing games, the feature drifting have a similar scoring system to the real competition, and usually features a counter that rates the drifts based on length, duration, and slip angles. Now, apparently BMW and M engineers and designers have been playing a lot with racing games, because the new M3 and M4 comes with the M-Drift Analyzer, a video game feature for your real-life drifting session. And it looks epic, folks. Take a look at that. Now, to make it clear to those who are expecting something different, this is not a drift mode, nor does it activate any electronic aids that will make it easier for drivers to slide. Now, surprisingly similar to what you find in racing games, this feature will analyze your drifts based on distance, time, and angle. Ratings each one with up to 5 stars. Now, all the information is displayed on the central infotainment screen, and drift sessions can be stored, compared, and analyzed further when the track day is over. Wow, this is epic, especially if you want to go do some tires. You can imagine that these tires might cost $1,000 each. Wow. Now, the tool uses data generated by a heavily enhanced traction control system, which BMW states is 6 to 10 times faster than the previous version. Now, apart from the market appeal of anything that contains the word drift, BMW created this feature as a virtual companion for those who really want to learn or improve their drifting skills. Man, the M is just bad. I mean, take a look at some of these. Take a look at these drifts again. Wow. Ooh, just lighten up that rubber. Boy, go to them tires. You know those tires are going to be, two of those tires over $1,000. You imagine that. Now, this is another track focus tool that provides drivers with important lap time information on both the optional head-up display and the instrument cluster. It can be synced to your available app for those who want to analyze the data further after each track outing, so you can actually see it on your head-up display. That is bad. Folks, this is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.